In this video, we are going to see about Answer the Public for YouTube. YouTube Video Content Idea Generator. First, I will explain about what is the meaning of Answer the Public. Many of you know about this tool, some may not. So, basically, this is the Answer the Public tool, usually for the block content. If any people want to write the block, then they can use this tool to find the questions. Like if I put the keyword YouTube SEO and search, it will give the questions like how YouTube SEO works. So once you click this, it will go to the Google search result, and it will show the answer to this particular question. Basically, this Answer the Public tool generating for questions from Google. If you go to upgrade to Pro, this is the pricing, $99 per month and annually $79 per month. This is basically from Google. But we have the tool called VidTechy for this particular use. It's free to use. Once you click free to sign up and give your name and email and send access, then you will redirect to this dashboard. So once you come to the dashboard, you can see here topic research. Click on topic research. Then here we can type like YouTube CEO. Then click here suggest topic. So this is the result that directly gets from YouTube. So these are the questions that currently searching for answers to from YouTube. See here how to rank videos and how to rank YouTube videos. These are all other related keywords like say, if you click this it will go to the YouTube search result and you can see the videos. Then actually this is the mind map section. So this all are the questions. If you go to the data, here you can copy all the keywords like you can copy and you can add them to list at your own favorite list and use it for your future reference. So these all are the questions that currently people are searching on YouTube. I hope this tutorial video is helpful to find the questions, which currently the people are searching for your particular keywords. Please subscribe to our channel to get more useful videos about YouTube.